Hello everyone, how are you? How is life? Today I brought something very sweet for you people. It's a sweet recipe, a dessert recipe, and it's a chocolate dessert recipe. It's a sweet chocolate dessert recipe. If you want to give it that bitter chocolatey taste, you can add a lot more chocolate in it, and that will do. But anyways, I will give you my recipe today. And all those who are our YouTube channel family members, they are always welcome, and all those who are our friends and audience and still not our members, we invite them all to become our family members on YouTube. And for that they will have to just quickly click the subscribe button. So click the subscribe button and come into my kitchen to make this yummy chocolate dessert. Very simple, very easy to make. I can bet on that, and you will like it too. And I'll tell you, even kids at home will like it a lot. So let's go for it. Let's see how we make this yummy chocolate dessert. First of all, let's discuss the ingredients. Well, the ingredients are very simple. I will use semolina in it, okay? And semolina is also called suji. Suji it's called in Urdu, okay? And semolina I have taken 2 mugs. You can see my big mugs here, 2 big mugs here. I have taken 2 mugs of semolina. You can take, if you want to of course decrease the quantity, you can take 2 small cups of semolina. Accordingly you will measure sugar and water and other things, okay? So keep the proportion in mind, that's very important. So I've taken 2 big mugs of semolina, and with that I've taken almost 1.5 mug of sugar. As you can see in these 2 mugs, I have kept them to 1.5 mug, that is sugar. And for 2 mugs of semolina, I have taken 6 mugs of water in the jug, okay? 6 mugs of water that they will go in. And besides that, I have got almonds. I soaked the almonds in water overnight. I soaked 4 figs in water overnight, as you can see in that cup. And the figs are still soaked in water. The almonds I have peeled in the morning, and I have separated the cotyledons into 2 each. You can see that. And besides that, I've got some cocoa powder in a small dish, a bowl. That's cocoa powder, brown, you can see. And I've got some oil in my oil pot. These are all the things that you're going to need to make this yummy chocolate dessert. First of all, what I did was I took my cooking pan, and in my cooking pan I put some 2 cups of oil, and to that I added my semolina. As you can see, it's looking so nice, dropping down into the oil, isn't it? Cascading into the oil. Then what you do is, with the help of your spatula, you mix that semolina in oil, and you keep the heat on the stove very low, the lowest possible. And you can keep, of course, tossing and turning the semolina, and it will get browned slowly, very slowly and gradually. Because if you do it on high heat, it will get burnt. It will not get cooked, okay? It will only burn. So you don't need to burn it, you need to cook it. So in very low heat you're going to cook it. The semolina will be soaked in oil, but the oil will not be too much in quantity. So keep that in mind. That's a very important tip, okay? And then you will keep tossing and turning the semolina in the oil on very low heat. Keep cooking it. Keep cooking it. Keep tossing the spatula in it, and slowly, gradually, it will start to turn color. It will become brownish, like my semolina here in front of you has become brownish, and the oil will ooze out of it, okay? And that will show that it's properly cooked now. If you think your oil quantity is less, you can add a bit of oil to it even afterwards, like while you're cooking it, while you are browning the semolina, you can do that. Okay, you can add a bit of oil. So at the end, when it's browned, like my semolina is browned, the oil is oozing out of it, your semolina will also make the oil to ooze out when it's browned properly. And once it gets browned, you're going to take it off the stove and put it on your kitchen shelf, or put it on a stove that doesn't have the fire on. Okay, and add water to it. How much water? 6 big mugs of water that we had taken in a jug. Remember, you're going to put that water into this browned semolina now. Okay, slowly, and keep mixing it. While you're adding water, slowly keep mixing the semolina and oil together in water, because if you don't, it might form lumps, and that will be very bad for your dessert. Then you won't have a good dessert. Now, after you've added water to it and mixed it, this will, while you are doing it, you will find that the volume of semolina has grown all of a sudden. Well, it will suck the water in and it will rise a bit. Okay, so that is normal. Then add sugar to it. 1.5 mug of sugar that we had taken, you're going to add that to it, and almost 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder on top of it, you can see. And you're going to mix all those things together with the help of a spatula now. See, I've mixed in everything and I put it on the stove, this time not on low heat but on medium heat. And I will keep moving this spatula in it round and round while it gets cooked. And in a few minutes, like you can see in the picture here, the dessert is coming off the sides of the cooking pot. That shows the dessert is ready. Okay, so my dessert is almost ready and I'm going to take it off now. In a few minutes, your dessert will also be ready, just like that. So this is the sign that your dessert is ready. And here you see, I have dished it out into my bowl, and I have sprinkled on top the almonds that I had with me, that I had already peeled. I had shown you, and the figs that were soaked in water overnight, I've taken them out and I have put them on my semolina dessert dish. So your semolina chocolate dessert is ready. This chocolate dessert is very yummy, very simple to make, very easy, well liked by kids and grown-ups, okay, simultaneously, and you will also like it a lot. So make this dessert and give it to your family, your friends, your guests, whomever you want to give it to, and they will really like it. And this is something that you can eat in summers and winters alike. If you want to add in more chocolate and want to make it much more chocolatey, you can do that. That is your choice. Okay, so that really doesn't matter. The quantity of cocoa powder will be according to your own taste. Even the quantity of sugar, if you want to increase it, you can increase it. If you want to minimize it, you can do that too. So that totally depends upon you. The dessert is ready. Enjoy it. Keep others happy. Be happy yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Subscribe to the channel quickly and take care of yourselves. Cheers.